my member of parliament, Kimani Ichungwa, you are here, and I'm entitled to give you instructions as my member of parliament. No ginya kanatiguo yango ni mwetigagira kumwira nini kumwira na drone cabinet secretary Alice Wahome murata wakwa niongoro mutiragwo ni andu aya uria ingi ao maranjira na niguo ngwenda gucokera aiming to tell Alice Wahome mheshimiwa cabinet secretary, my member of parliament Kimani Ichungwa, ye mwere president ado ani marakaya ni cost of living inyo ni nyumu titaga nandu ni moe cost of living ne hinyereri andu ariku kana tiguo muti kwenda andu mireri utumere mamukinyirie na nio makinyua cai nake ona korwe hada mwiro rogu thie mutetere andu atari uguo turaigua ati tumwatho ati mundu agatumwo KRA guka kurora athuria na atumia aya ati mena ng'ombe cigana na itirama ati matocwo igoti muti kwenda uhoro ucio cenjio na tumere muti kwenda ati kinya tuguku kinya tuburi tafadhali. You will be helping the president by telling him the truth that the people are crying. Nawe mheshimiwa wakwa member of parliament tumwatho tu tone we oneka television nini ugitwara kuri hapa ugitwara kuri Dome wa Magata stood for the common man, for fairness and justice for everybody. The best tribute we can give him is to continue with that. Many people, him included, we achieved the 2010 constitution, which is a good constitution. Nitwagire no huru. Nemoe aria mathomaga social media. Thiko ici gutiri undu president yateragwo. Korwo ni hindi iri engi. Ni korwo kamite kana kod. We achieved the freedom of speech. We achieved all that. What we have not achieved, the new constitution of 2010 was a means to an end. And we have not gotten to where we wanted to go, which is freedom from want. We want every Kenyan to live in dignity and free from want. Socio-economic freedom. Iyo tutiri turanyita. Na toni nywe mukiri kuo marika mayari. Mukemenye ucio niguo murigo uria turera mwike atia. Mugekuwe na mukuere andu aya raia no murona. Asanteni sana.